This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Happy Valentine's Day. I am very excited because I actually have a Valentine's Day collection for you. And I'm so excited because this is really cute and didn't buy the full set. I just kind of bought a little bit of everything. And today we're going to unbox it. So welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It, Pop Mart edition. And we have all things Twinkle Twinkle. So yeah, let's start with this little figure because this one is really, really cute. And I have just become a little Twinkle Twinkle stan. Anything Twinkle Twinkle does, I need to have. But not gonna lie though, this set, I liked it, but not enough to buy the whole thing. So I was like, I just want to test my luck if I just get the ones that I want, because I really just want specific ones. So hopefully I'm lucky today. If I'm not, then I'm going to be hunting online for them. Famous last words, because I say this and then next thing you know, I buy the full set. Always happens. Anyway, so let me put this one together. Oh, these are so cute. All right, hold on. Let me just put his little fat ass there. Oh, my little Twinkle Twinkle babies. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. I don't love that that one has their eyes open. Have you ever kissed someone that had their eyes open? Terrifying. But look how cute though. Oh, it's so funny because I wasn't going to pick this up initially, but then seeing it in person, I was like, I need to have it. So I don't regret anything. I think this is so cute. And I love love. I know, I'm so sweet. Anyway, so we have that. Off to a good start. Now I have 4 of the big boys. Again, I didn't love the full set and I really just want the secret. I just want that old man one. I know I'm not gonna get it. I know I'm not, but I got 4 boxes. I was feeling really lucky and I was like, please, for the love of everything. So anyway, we're gonna open that in a second. And then I had to get 5 of these because again, I just really want the old man, okay? I really just want the old man. So I got 5 of them and I'm hoping that I have one of the old people. I preferably want the grandma and the grandpa because I just feel like I need to have them. But if I don't, I will be hunting for them online. The secret in this section is cute, but the ones that I really, really want is the albatross vow. I want that one. Grow gray together till we're old. Hold myself with love is so cute. When you call is really cute. I don't love nerdy Cupid. Watch, I get that one. Famous last words. I like candy words. Light up is really cute. Heart unlocked. There are some really cute ones in here. So I got 5 of these bad boys. Let's see if I'm lucky. Some of them feel heavy. This one feels heavy. This one feels heavy. Oh God, please, 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 please. Oh, all right, I'm gonna say that this one's gonna be, I think this is gonna be my heart unlocked. Let's see if I'm right. No, which one is this one though? Not one of the ones I want. It's cute though. Okay, so this is, I think, Flower Bearer. Okay, okay. The card's cute. Oh, I mean, listen, she's cute. She is cute. She is cute. She's cute. She's cute. You're cute. You're so cute. Okay. Oh, fuck. All right, listen, it's okay. It's okay because we have 4 more chances. All right. You know, does it even matter if something's heavy or not? No, right? Okay, all right, I think this one's going to be till we're old. Come on, old man. If I don't get an old man today, I think I will be very, very sad. I just want the old man. Come on, old man. No, but I did like this one though. This one's so cute. I think this is like Be Mine or Candy Words. Yeah, this is, oh, it comes with a little thing. Hold on, let me put his together. But this is the card. So cute. Okay, so cute. You're still cute, the other one. No, I mean, it is cute, but like, I want to like it more. Okay, you know, it'd be nice if you could stand in your goddamn thing. Okay, that one is really cute. I really like that. I like his little candy hat. That one's super adorable. Okay, okay, all right. Not bad. 1, yes. 1, not so much, but it's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. We have 3 more boxes. I really, 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 really want Albatross Vow. It would be nice to get that one. I just love it. So let's see if we get it. I'm gonna say it's this one. Probably not. This one's probably gonna be Nerdy Cupid. Why? Because me, that's why. Oh no, but which one? I don't even know who the you are. Hold on. I hear you? What the f are you called? Oh, I hear you. Okay. Okay, this one's a lot cuter because in the picture I was like, oh, okay. But no, it has like teeny, like a little candelabra and there's like little tiny twinkle twinkle boys as a little candle. So that one's actually kind of cute too. That one's adorable. I like it a little bit better than the other bitch, but I'm still not getting the ones that I'm willing into the universe. So this is making me a little sad, but it's okay. We have 2 more. All right. So I think this is going to be Hold Myself with Love. It's probably not. It's probably going to be When You Call. Fuck you. Oh, come on, bitch. Okay. Erin, I'm giving this to you. Happy Valentine's Day. Swear to God, if this is a duplicate, I will scream. I have no faith in the system. I think this one's going to be Heart Unlocked. I knew it. It was gonna be one I didn't want. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna try my luck out in the wild. I think I will have to hunt for the ones. But this is the strawberry one, Blushing Moment. I mean, listen, she's not bad, but like, I feel like I got the wackest ones. Yeah, I said it. Whack. I feel like I got the wackest ones. And that blows. Oh, that blows. And that's so fucking infuriating. Okay. Also, what the oh, okay. Okay. All right. I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed. All right, if I'm gonna rank them quickly, I guess Candy is my favorite, then this bitch, and then we'll have to duke it out, the strawberry. I guess the strawberry's a little bit better. I don't know. Nobody cares. This is a shitty Valentine's Day. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. It's okay though, because we have plush pendants. It's gonna be okay, because we have plush pendants. Let's see if I'm lucky. Okay, so, Crush on You. Now, I didn't get the full set because I wasn't in love with all of them. I'll be honest, Nerdy Cupid just was not my favorite. The Moment was also kind of like, eh. Skip a Beat, eh. I really just want Puppy Love, Albatross's Vow, and I really just want the Secret. All right, I want the Old Man. I really do. Now, I got 4. And I know I literally just said I only wanted 3 and I wound up getting 4 because I was really just feeling lucky, all right? But obviously I wasn't that lucky because of this bullshit. But whatever, I digress. So we're gonna start with this one. I think this one's going to be my puppy. I feel like this is gonna be my puppy. Come on, puppy. Okay. Listen, she is cute. She is cute. Oh, Crush on You, right? No, Skip a Beat. This is Skip a Beat, y'all. Skip a Beat, there's your card. She is cute. She's a little plush pendant. She is adorable. Look at that little red face, okay? She looks like an alcoholic. I like her. Definitely cuter in person. Definitely cuter in person on the box. I was like, okay. Not my favorite. Not my favorite, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We still have 3 more boxes. We still have 3 more boxes. You know what? I'm going to shoot my shot. I'm going to say this is Albatross Vow, okay? Albatross's Vow. It wasn't. It wasn't. It's the Moment. Oh, okay. He is cute. He is super cute. Look at that hat. Love a backwards hat. He's a bad boy, all right? He's a bad boy. You shouldn't go out with him. I like that. He definitely cuter in person. Is it my favorite? No. No, it's not. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. Did I just get 2 of the ones I didn't want, really? That is true, but it's okay because we have 2 more. I am being optimistic. Oh, God. And this one, there's this card. Okay. Listen, Nerdy Cupid. This is going to be Nerdy Cupid. I'm going to call it Nerdy Cupid because it's the other one I didn't want. Finally, something fucking good. Okay. You are everything. Oh my God, he's so cute. Okay, you know what? I'm happy again. He is so adorable. Oh, I love him. Oh my God, I'm gonna start crying. He is so cute. Oh, I love the card. Oh, you know what? Who gives a that I got the two that I didn't want. If we walk away with like another one that we don't want, Nerdy Cupid, it's okay. Dude, it's fine. Because I got him, and you're making everything so much better right now. You have no idea. I am not even going to say that this is, I have a feeling this is going to be a duplicate because that is just my look for today. So I think, if anything, what did we learn today about love? That love's a bitch, okay? I think it's gonna be skip a beat. Let's see if I'm right. Love is real. Love is real. Oh my God, shut up. Oh my God, look at him. You're such an old man. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scream in your face. What the f? All of this was worth it. Oh, I gotta find your wife now. Oh my God, look at him. I love you. Oh my God, bro. Oh, I also love, that's cool. Why am I'm, hold please. I recognize that someone hole punching and putting a ribbon in it, really, you see my expectations, right? The fact that someone did that, this is life changing. Oh my God, bro. Oh, it's my grandpa. Oh, I love you. And he has a little hat. Okay. I mean, no contest. This is number one. This is number two. Okay, no contest. They're so sweet. Look at them. Just two boys out. Oh, I am so bummed out though, because I really need to find the little plastic hard figure of him and his wife. Because the odds of me getting the fucking grandma in Crush on You, no way. The fact that this happened, oh bitch, I'm buying a Powerball ticket today, okay? Because this never happens. It makes it worth it. Yeah, these are cute, but they're not as cute as these little guys. Okay. This was a very wild Valentine's Day, okay? There was ups, there was highs, there was lows, there was ups, there was downs. We seen it all, and I'm very happy. Even though I got a duplicate, and I got some that I didn't really want, it's okay because I got him, and that's really all that matters, because now I feel like I'm better than everybody. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below. What are you doing for Valentine's Day? What are you doing? Are you having fun? Are you opening up blind boxes like me? I don't know. What are you doing? Also, which one was your favorite? And you better have, there's only one answer here. There's maybe two. There's two answers here. So you better choose correctly. If not, you're banned. No, I'm kidding. But do let me know. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage but afloat. I love your faces. And I will see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.